place your chicken into a bowl. I'm using a large bowl so it's easy to mix everything together. Then add olive oil, paprika, chicken seasoning, pepper, salt, and some fresh garlic. I'm using about 2 cloves here. And then we're gonna rub everything together. So make sure you don't skip this process. You want to massage the chicken, you want to massage the garlic into those thighs. And it should look just like that. Then we're gonna place it into the fridge for about 2 hours to marinate. Then place all your chicken thighs into a deep tray or a dish, and they can cozy up together, that's fine. And we're going to bake these for about 25 minutes at 200 degrees or 400 Fahrenheit. We're gonna take the chicken out and look at that. It looks crispy and delicious already, but that's not done yet. We're gonna coat each chicken with your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using my local barbecue sauce, but again, you can also make your homemade. This is a quick recipe, so store-bought is just fine. So coat it around on top, and we're going to increase the temperature in the oven by 25 degrees. So that's going to be 220 degrees Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit. I'm going to flip my chicken around, and I'm going to coat the other side with the barbecue sauce. We want to make sure it's nice and coated around. And then we're going to put these in the oven for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, take it out. We're going to flip our chicken back the other way, and you can see it's getting nice and steamy. The smell is amazing in the kitchen. I wish you were here to see it and smell it. And now we're going to coat and add more barbecue sauce on top. And be quite generous, make sure you cover all the white bits. You want it nice and covered, you want it to taste like barbecue. Oh guys, this recipe is absolutely amazing. I can't describe how good it is. Once the last piece is done, we're going to put these back in the oven at the same temperature for about 15 minutes. It can take less time, depends on your oven, and they should crisp up and become really, really nice and golden. And there we go, look at this beautiful barbecue chicken. It's sizzling away. So here it is, it's fully cooked, it looks delicious, it smells amazing. The skin is really nice and crispy. The chicken inside should be very, very juicy and soft. So I suggest you serve this with a salad or any carbs that you might like. Chicken goes well with rice or potatoes. I'm just gonna slice into this juicy barbecue chicken, and look at that, beautifully cooked, really yummy inside, crispy barbecue skin. Guys, it can't get better than that. I hope you enjoy this